Hi team, today I will talk about David Villa. Um, David Villa is a Spanish football player who currently plays as a striker for the New York City FC, as well as the Spain national team. He has scored 355 goals. He has won 3 Ligas, 3 Copas del Rey, 1 Champions League, 1 European Championship, and 1 World Cup. Talking about talent, he's the Spain most talented striker because he's the first Spanish to ever reach 50 goals, 50 international goals, as well as the all-time top goal scorer. But there is a reason why he's so talented. And here is when I have to talk about hard work, because when he was 4 years old, he suffered a fracture to the femur in his right leg. So his parents trained him to become an ambidextrous player. His father has no. His father is, is an example of the external circumstances, because when David Villa was 14 years old, he wanted to keep up football, but his parents encouraged him to continue playing and, and wait for an opportunity. And this is what I have learned about David Villa, and is that it doesn't matter what happens if you break your leg, because when I was a kid I broke my leg. It doesn't matter if you break your hand, your arm, or if you don't have money. There is always an opportunity, and if you don't take it, somebody else will take it. And another thing that I learned about David Villa is that your family will always with you, so they can encourage you to do everything you want. And this is why David Villa is my favorite football player. And here are the sources. So that's all, team.